The first topic of chapter is Coulomb's law. It is based on inverse square law. If we consider two charges, let's say here we have Q1 charge and Q2 charge. Distance between 1 and 2 is R, then we can say force between them is proportional to product of charge and inversely proportional to distance between them. So if we remove the proportionality, we have to place one constant. So we will get force between two charges is K Q1 Q2 upon where K is known as Coulomb's constant and its value is considered as 9 into 10 raised to 9 Newton meter square per Coulomb square. Later on, it is come to know that K is also expressed as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0, where epsilon 0 is known as permittivity of free space and its value is considered as 8.854 into 10 raised to minus 12 Coulomb square per Newton meter square. This is show that the constant is depend on medium between two charges. So all of this is only magnitude of force, but we know that force is a vector quantity. So we have to find direction of that also. So to obtain direction, let's consider x-axis and y-axis. Now we need position vector of Q1, which is R1 bar, and position vector of Q2, let's say it is R2, and let's try to find out force on 1 by 2. So it is obvious that its direction must be from Q2 to Q1 and let's name it as F12 bar. So we need to find out this direction, which is R12 bar, right? Now from the geometry of the figure, we can say summation of R2 plus R12 will be R1 bar. We need to find out R12. So let's make it subjective. If we move R2 on the right side, that term will become negative. So we'll get R12. And to find direction of it, we also need magnitude. So we'll get magnitude of R1 minus R2. So we can say R12 cap, which is the direction of R12, will be vector upon its magnitude. So we can express force on 1 by 2 as K Q1 into Q2 upon R12 square into R12 cap. Similarly, if we try to find out force on 2 by 1, so it is obvious that its direction will be from Q1 to Q2 and it will be K Q2 into Q1 upon R21 square into R21 cap. Now it is obvious that the magnitude of both force is equal. The only difference is in direction. So we can say magnitude will be same and R21 cap is actually negative of R12 cap. So we can say force 2-1 is actually minus force F12. That means Coulomb's law will also obey Newton's third law. So tada!